It's your boy Edog, and today I'm going to be going through a quick rundown of the best free video editing software called Olive. Now, I say the best because it has custom dimensions, no watermark, and a whole bunch of other bonus features, all completely free. So we can get started by clicking this little plus button up here and adding a sequence. This is where you can choose your preset. You can have 4K, 1080p, 720p, whatever you'd like. I'm going to leave it at 1080p. And also change your frame rate, which I'm going to set to 60 just to get that smooth video. Then you're going to hit OK. Next, what you're going to want to do is come over here to the import. You can also just hit Control I, but I'm just going to click that. Import any video. This is my last video, my Photoshop how to outline, which I'll leave a link to right here. Next, you're going to want to click and drag this down to your timeline. Now here is where you can add the butter of the software. So you want to come down to this little plus button right here, and this is all the features. We'll start with the title, which is where you can just choose how long you want it to go, and this is just going to put words over your video. You can choose where you want to pick it, you can move it around, you can change the scale. Also, alternatively, you can just change the size of the text. You can choose the font, the color of the text, anything. See color, a whole bunch of square stuff. It's almost like a news glitch kind of thing. Now we get into the audio. So this toned feature just adds a single tone, a single noise, so you can hear that. You can change the frequency, you can change the amount, you can change the volume of it, anything. And the next feature, similar to tone, is noise, but this will just be a kind of chicken scratch sounding thing. So same thing, you can change the amount, you can change the volume. And that is some of these simpler features of the software. Now, when exporting a video, what you're going to want to do is come up here, click export, or hit Control M, it's up to you. For the format, you're going to want to pick MPEG for video, and for the range, you're going to want to hit entire sequence. For the codec, just leave it how it is. It's probably going to be this middle one. You can also set your width and height and frame rate, but it should just be preset from when you started your sequence at the beginning. Everything else you can just leave and hit export. File name, we can name it Olive Video Tutorial. Click save, and it should instantly just start exporting it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It's been your boy Edog. Till next time.